The X6 Elite uses Cooler Master's quick snap mounting bracket, which we've used in the past and had great success with. Really a great mounting system. Let's take a look at the actual installation. First step is going to be to mount the retention bracket to the cooler itself. We're going to be using an AMD today, so I'm going to go with the AMD retention bracket. However, any of the Intel brackets will mount exactly the same. They are just two pieces rather than one piece. Taking a look, we're going to lay the retention bracket into place, making sure that we're going to be using the orientation we want. You can optionally fire the X6 Elite in a bottom to top or top to bottom firing if you so desired, but we're going to use front to rear firing, of course, today. So we're going to place the bracket into place and simply 4 screws to secure it. That easy to mount the retention bracket. With the tower assembled, next thing we need to do inside on the motherboard, around the 4 motherboard holes, 4 rubber rings, self-adhesive, will be stuck into place. As you can see, I've already stuck them into place. Very quick, very simple process. After thermal interface material is applied, we're going to put the cooler into place. Notice, no need to take off the fan. 4 bolts from the retention are going to go right through the grommets to the back of the motherboard. With the tower in place, you can see 4 bolts are coming through the back of the motherboard, and we will use the back plate and go right over it. Then it's simply a matter of 4 nuts, and we'll just put them on by hand just to get it started. And we'll finish them off using the included nut driver. No worry of over tightening. These actually do have a fixed stop point. Tighten all 4 to their fullest, and install is complete. Going back around the front of the case, only thing left to do is plug in the fan. Another thing you might notice is we never had to take off the fan to do any of the mounting. Never had to try and install the fan in the case. It stays on the entire time because you never need access to the base plate itself. So makes for a very quick, simple install. Very secure also. Now taking a look at the Cooler Master X6 Elite itself, sitting in the case, you can see there's a distinct angle to it. It is angled down towards the intake fan of the front of the case. Angling out the back is going to be towards top fan, back fan. So you wind up with very interesting and unique mounting there, which is going to take advantage of the natural airflow of the case. Cooler Master X6 Elite is the first in the Cooler Master's new lineup. Very interesting cooler using honeycomb fin technology as well as specialized air ducts and an angled mounting. 120 millimeter PWM fan. You can add a second fan if you want to go into dual fan. It is mountable with front to rear or top to bottom airflow. Very simple installation. Really interesting new piece from Cooler Master.